So today, September 14th, we had two new releases, two new action cameras, DJI Osmo Action 3 and the GoPro Hero 11. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is because I'm here in Florida and it's been raining every single day. So I haven't had time to go out and ride. So figure I wanted to go over some of these features of the new cameras that just dropped. So this is not the Osmo Action 3, nor is this the GoPro Hero 11. This is the GoPro Hero 10. And this is the Osmo Action 1, the first generation. Two of my favorite action cameras, by the way. So what I wanted to do for this first video is just mix it up a little bit. And I wanted to go over 8 reasons why you should choose a new Osmo Action 3 over the new GoPro Hero 11. Let's go. So the first reason to pick up the Osmo Action 3 over the GoPro Hero 11 is the price. Both cameras are pretty good, and we'll get into the comparison maybe in a separate video of why the GoPro, the Osmo, is a better camera in itself. But as far as the price, the new Osmo Action 3 is starting out at $329, while the new GoPro Hero 11 starts out at $499. That's almost $200 difference, and I guess you got to ask yourself, is the GoPro $200 better than the new Osmo Action 3? Second reason to go with the new Osmo Action is the new Osmo Action does have dual screen as the new GoPro Hero 11. However, the new Osmo Action has interactive front LCD, guys, which means not only can you view yourself in the screen on the front, but you can also interact with the menus. So you can go to your settings, change your resolution, set different shooting modes. All of that is accessible from the front LCD screen, which was not previously available on the previous version of the Osmo Action or even the GoPro Hero, and not currently available on the GoPro Hero 11. And I think that's a killer feature, because when you're recording and you're actually viewing yourself, now you have the option of going and making your changes without actually having to flip the camera around, flip the screen, and doing all those extra steps. So that was my second reason. So the third reason, and this ties into the price here in a little bit, the new Osmo Action 3 is compatible with the USB-C microphones, which means that if you have a microphone that's USB-C, you can plug it directly into the new Osmo and it should work with no problems. With the GoPro, we already know what that setup looks like. You are going to need a media mod. I do have it right here. It's going to be the same thing for the GoPro Hero 11. It is an additional accessory. I believe it costs $70 or something. You're going to need a media mod. On the media mod, you're going to have the 3.5mm jack, and you have the USB-C where you can go ahead and charge it. Works well in my opinion, but it's an added cost, and it does add some more size to your device. So that's something that's certainly considered. So with this, if you have a USB-C microphone, you can plug it in directly, record your audio, and then you should be good to go. Can't wait to test out the new Osmo Action. I did have some audio issues with this mounted in my helmet before, so definitely want to see if the new one has those issues as well. So reason number 4 is going to be your quick switch button on the new Osmo Action 3. So that is one of the features that I actually love with the Osmo Action 1. So if you look on the side right here, you can see this little button that says quick shift. So when you select that button, guys, you can switch your different shooting modes. You do have some custom presets that you can make, and it just makes it a lot easier, especially if you're someone on a bike, if you're wearing gloves, just to quickly go like that, switch between your different modes and not having to go into your menus. The new GoPro Hero 11 does not have that feature. However, I did hear that with some combinations of pressing the power and the mode button, you can access some quick launch features, but that's something we'll have to test out. But I love that this has a dedicated button where you can go ahead and switch your different shooting modes. Reason number 5, and this is huge, is the new magnetic quick release from the new Osmo Action 3. So this becomes really annoying, guys, to go like this and you have to unscrew it, then you have to tighten it back up. Same thing with the previous Osmo Action. You can go like this. This is something we first saw in the Osmo Action 2, which is the modular camera, which I wasn't a fan of, but glad to see that they brought this over to the 3, where all you have to do is stick it on the bottom, clip it in, then you're good to go. To release it, you squeeze, pull it, and then you're released, and it just makes life a lot easier, not having to worry about the screws, and I think that was a great addition for the new camera. So fourth reason to pick the Osmo Action 3 over the new GoPro Hero 11 is quick charging and battery capacity. So let's go through some specifications here. So super quick charging is available on the new Osmo Action 3. If you use a 30-watt charger, that is sold separately, can charge 80% in 18 minutes. I should mention that GoPro does have a battery that's included. It's a higher capacity battery. This gives you a full charge in 120 minutes. I also want to fill you in that DJI has an extreme battery that gives you 160-minute total runtime. So both of them really going head to head here. Not just the features, the looks, battery capacity, extra battery. So it's good to have some good competition in the action camera market. So reason number 7 is the new Osmo Action 3 is more waterproof than the new GoPro Hero 11. GoPro Hero 11 is going to be 10 meters and the new Osmo Action is going to give you 16 meters of waterproof. So a little bit more watertight, waterproof. If you're someone who goes on dives or takes this deep underwater. I know I'm not going down that deep. Last reason, this does not apply to me here in Florida. The new Osmo Action 3 has better cold resistance, which means that, so the new Osmo Action 3 can perform well in temperatures up to -4 degrees Fahrenheit for 150 minutes. The GoPro Hero 10 can go up to -14 for 115 minutes. So this is going to give you more longevity. For me, Florida, it doesn't really matter that much, but if you're someone up north, Canada, Chicago, I don't know, other cold places that it gets really cold, that might be something that you're looking at. Just a quick video just talking some of the pros of the Osmo Action 3 over the GoPro Hero 11. I should let you guys know I do not own any of these devices as of yet, and I'm not sure if I need to upgrade because I do have GoPro Hero 10 here. I do have the Osmo Action 1 still working really well, and I do have the Insta360 as well, which I use for my 360 footage. So in the comments, let me know if you're in the market for a new action camera. If you are, which one are you going to pick up? Are you going to pick up one of the new guys, or you're going to find one of these guys that should be going on sale here in the near future? So I'll put links to both in the description. If you're new, subscribe, and hopefully next video I'll get to go outside.